Hey, what's up guys? I put the new tire on. I've got a 285 75 16. That's the size right there, and I'm having issue with the rubbing here right here, guys. So this one, if this one is going in that way, if I'm turning right, this one will rub against will hit this and will rub against this, the inner liner, the wheel liner. Alright, but I'm gonna show you guys more what the inside looked like after I removed the wheel and the liner, just behind the wheel cover, and that I have already trimmed, and I'm gonna be needing to trim this more because that's what I did at work, and I was running out of time already. It was 6 and we had to close, so that's all that I have done. And I was supposed to trim this part right here, and but luckily I was able to get home. You know, it rubs when you turn far, but you know, I tried to avoid turning it way too far so I don't end up messing up the tires. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. But that's the tire. That's the new tire, 33s. Alright, so I'll get to work right now and I'll show you guys what it's like. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I've done here. Alright, so you guys see this? I've already hammered that way, so I've cut it like that, so it's easier to hammer. Same thing with this one right here. Alright, so I've cut it like that, and then all I gotta do is just fold it in. And I need to cut more over here because it's catching on the tire, so I'm gonna go as far as to where my pen paint right here. Alright, and that's basically it. And for the liner, I might just have to drill a hole here and here where this is gonna be, that's where it's gonna be secured. Alright, so I'll get started. Alright guys, so I'm done trimming. Right, so that's my line right there, and I've cut that much, and I've also put the sap strap over there just to hold the wheel liner from moving. And I'm gonna try to put the wheel back on and see if I still have some rubbing. I've also done some modification right here. That's the original hole right there on the left, and that's the new hole that I made right there for the screw. Alright, so I'm gonna put the wheel back on and see, check if there's any more rubbing. Alright guys, so moment of truth, so I'm gonna turn on the car and I'm gonna go turn right, see if I get any rubbing. So far, so good. That's a hair right there. That's a hairline. So far so good. Getting in. Nothing getting here. After that. That's good. So I'm gonna crank it all the way. Right, so that's crank all the way, and seems to be good. I just need to shave this this thing here just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. So far so good. That's pretty good. It's pretty good there, guys. Clears it. So I'm gonna put this right here. See how it goes. Plenty of space there, guys, so it's good. I think I did a good job over here. So you guys can see the liner is basically so the liner is in now. Originally it was out here, right? So now it's in. So what I'm gonna do is it's pretty secure back there, so I don't need to do anything to it, right? If it would be flapping around, then I would have to install like some kind of retainer screw on this side and then just put a screw to put a screw to screw this in to secure it, but I don't think I'm gonna need it because it's pretty tight in there. It's pretty secure in there. It ain't going anywhere. But pretty much that's what the clearance is on this side. Now I'm gonna have to do it on the other side now. Alright, so I'll do the other side, and after I do the other side, I'll show you guys the results. So basically I'm gonna steer it left to right. So I'm gonna steer the steering wheel lock on one side and lock on the other side. So just to confirm that there's no other rubbing. Alright guys, so I'll finish up this side. Finish up this side, and I'll update you guys when I'm done with this, and I'll show you guys if there is any other more rubbing. Okay guys, so this is the driver's side now, and I'm gonna steer left to right, lock position, so we can see if there's any more rubbing, and then go for road test. It's locked. That's locked. Front is good. Has some space, so no problem, guys. I'm gonna go for a test ride. Just make sure that it's not running when I'm running. But I definitely think this is not gonna rub. So it's a wrap, guys. So the road to 33s. A-okay. It's a done deal, guys. Alright. So that's I don't know if I showed you guys. I had to trim a little bit of that in there. This one right here. This one. See this square right here? I had to cut that out. Just if I go full lock to the left, it's gonna get caught on the tire. So I did trim that a bit, and that clears it. But yeah, it's a wrap, guys. This is it. The road to 33 is done, and we're happy with the result here. The look is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It's gonna poke, but definitely I have to try to load it up and see if this one's gonna hit the fender, which I think it will definitely. So I might have to cut it and put a white fender. So anyway, that's another issue. So anyway, that's going to be a next episode, and we'll see how it's gonna go with everything, and what's going to be the solution to it, and we'll see. I still don't know. So to end this video here, brand new 33s, 285, 75, 16, guys, on the stock rims. The stock rims is 7 inches, 7.5 inches on 285, 75, 16 tires. Alright, so that's it, guys. I'm gonna take a picture tomorrow when it's nice and bright and see how it looks like, so you guys can see how it looks like. Alrighty, guys, have a good night.